다들이야. 저 참로리야. 가르사디. 고 치두딜이 쉬하다 첩지도. 아니 지단당 원주디 튜몽기 원주 시디에다 düdürüci, nimburuci. 다 기란 소리야. 쉬스베 기저루도스래.
So, good afternoon first, and then the four common preliminaries in a very short way kind of discussed already this morning.
디네 튜모 많이 병원을 시사야 돼. 엔지 감주당. 도스템기 곰데다. 다나 신기 메제다 라메넨조. 나바시 용데야래.
And the special preliminary, we have the refuge, the Vajrasattva practice, the Mandala practice, and Guru Yoga. These are the four special Ngöndu practices.
Yes, somebody 튜모다 튜모 많이 봤사데. 조기 아주르다. 튜모와 순두산은 튜모와 도에 람다. 제수 튜모 세나자도. 데르지 임자. 튜모 많이 봤스두산에 튜모 많이 봐. 다 상하게 람다 제수 되어 리지스래.
When we talk about common and uncommon or special preliminaries, to my mind, the common means which is common to the basic Buddhist practices like Shravakayana level and all the Buddhist kind of general practices. And when we say uncommon or the special practices, which is much more especially kind of connected with the Vajrayana practice. These are the differences of when we distinguish the common and special preliminaries.
튜모의 병원주 시난다. 거스바바 디징기지. 오늘 조비 가르쳐들이 시야디 라멘네 조고를 시야다 가르쳐 지단 챈더디 시유디다 튜모의 병원주 시고를 시과에 있을 등의 튜모기 원주 시디 거리야 다다나 디고르게가 쉬브레 안다다 조비 그룹디 시야데 라멘네 조 인상 튜모 많이 병원을 시나네다 라멘네 조디 지슈나 저거면도 섬청이.
So although we have to talk about all the four special preliminaries, but today I think the main topic is Guru Yoga, and I feel that we will talk about Guru Yoga, and that would be more or less enough for all the other preliminaries, the special preliminaries as well.
That's the Kashreji. Purlia. 지단도 표 간신 표리야다 표 간신이 좋을이야. 지 가수에다 튜럽 다 개바 튜럽 뒷변 조서 대 개변 과서 근데 다 튜럽 뒷변 개변은 슬람 들면 다 튜럽 뒷변 개변에 남아상게 비춰야 별이야 다른 임래.
From 7th, 8th centuries onwards, the teachings of the Buddha came to Tibet, the land of Tibet.
벽에 남배 취해디 상하가 취지보 메이바. 더나 급디도 산다지 gyagaragi da tiba shimbiche dana singi tiba tumo sana jandu yana kashuraji nyarangi tiba che an di tole ya ji sanga dosi tiba che che de dan dona tiba sungi kashuraji nyamne yonsu zobaro di nizita pele ya tawa imresa.
The Tibetan Buddhism, or the Buddhism that came to Tibet, is not just Vajrayana. The type of Buddhism that came to Tibet also includes all the teachings of the Mahayana school of Buddhism, and also the basic Buddhist teachings, what is sometimes called as the Sharvakayana and Pratyeka Buddha type level of teachings. And it's not a particular one type of Buddhism, but the complete whole teachings of Buddhism that existed in India came to Tibet. And that's what Tibetan Buddhism is.
That's ne ben pyo sangi debalia kashuraji takaraj lauda nyamcharu deba chidar ngadar da chidar sa chumbre deba ngadar chidar sa nyamcharu chungche jege ji dembe gi je kashurada obu chumbe samne takada demba chidar gi kolya tene sanga di be tumo la ba karsho yongra chene nyamzu la ji chumbu imbre sang chungyu.
And in Tibet, there were early translation and the later translation systems, and because of the different problems and some destructions or some problems within the Buddhist, the spread of Buddhism in Tibet, we have kind of two historical kind of waves of Buddhism. And in the later spread of Buddhism, or what we call sometimes as the later translation, the system was that
later translations and this woman di sarma ni ma chanro temba ngadar chidar labusan qaris lagon.
The later spread of Buddhism after the kind of destruction of Buddhism earlier, this system had this a way of practicing Vajrayana in a very common and a universal way.
That's the Gyu sa the Gyu da Gubade Deba Chidari Golo Chumuibre.
The lineage of Kaju also came within this later spread of Buddhism.
The Kandaryang Jidangi purely Chizu the Kajue, Deba Chidari Golia, the Kajo Take Kumbis Shumbe, the Chugu, Tadabe Chugu Chimbu Shis, love the Manche, Kajuda, Deba Chidari Gomne, Kaju, Utsumur, the Chadi Are. They do some men on order. She says, Shanada, Yamne, Kajue, Sangu Jibore, Dinane, Tadabenaji, Lamen, Jerusalem, Jando, Yanaji, Kajue, 단 너는 드리슬람 주면 다지 토마라 어르다 라마도 로멘 제바사디 개심 시라츠기 알아서 규바강게나
And we have 4 main schools of Buddhism in Tibet, and most of them are actually belonging to the latest spirit of Buddhism. And all of them, in all of them, the Guru Yoga, or in another way, the relationship of of teachers and students is considered very important.
다 경상에 드린데 가수지 가르에 디나로레야 좀베 다 가수지 로마 망부지 에 경왕가마 부구지 주루바 에 현재와당 송퇴용와 dinje 마녀와 지어라 something.
I think among you who have gathered here, I feel that there's a few people, quite few people, who have been able to see.
Many people
Many people who has been able to meet the 16th Karmapa and receive teachings from him.
회리야다 주변구에다 양시 폐브네 문지 쉬야여디 통마르지 까마비 쇠되버서는 장도 까마비 군진 가서 까마비 규발에 총지 이래제 땅 아주 शेषु든데요.
And the system of recognizing tulkus or the reincarnate lamas was started by the Karmapas, or it comes from the Karmapas lineage. That's generally known.
대야의 주구 통마르디 용수 창보디 까마버디 숨바 정중도지 겁리야 정중도지디 까마바 니바 까마버시 연수리야 무진 차베네 송데 안티네 송데 다 용수 차베 주구 무진 차게 로수 총벌에.
And especially the third Karmapa, the Rangjung Dorje, when he was recognized by somebody else as the Karmapa, that was the kind of the first time that another Lama,
first
Tulku, that was recognized in the system of recognition of the Tulkus that's prevalent now.
다디 가르사나 지 라마 코메게 로마 다 라마 코메 제수 주버디수 가르사다 티즈 다 르무동하스네 장도 대다 제수 집비체도 아니 양결 가르사에 디기다 양시스네 장도 다 디주베 양결 페네 라량 라마다 로멘 제바디 무튜니 미지직 마임바 아니 무튜니 드라이어드비지.
That's because when the Lama dies, he kind of could not give up his students, and to continue this relationship of students and teachers, the Lamas came back as his reincarnations, and to continue that relationship between teachers and students. That's how the system of reincarnate Lamas are happening.
Tiri dusane lama khomegi Jesu jube lama tizugi and lama khomegi yasi zezushu zeje samaro mujishu khomegi takandar lungda tumba sanan jado tseme lungda tumba chije mujishu ta na shi lama 디 연시 디가 아니 로마 디즈 가르소에 로마 대다 야 디기 베지 개와 제마서 버다 디기 상으로 단도나 베 제수 진제 종아다 디지 라마도 로멘 제 믹세지 까마비 다 칠레라 데네 세나다도 까마비 규발 딜레 데네 총이마라.
And when a Lama passes away, his students tried to find his reincarnation through a system in many ways. And then this young reincarnate Lama also, continued to treat his students of the past, students of his past life, as his own students, and sometimes their reincarnations also as his students. And so this kind of life after life continuation of teacher and student relationship, that kind of special system is something that is, kind of unique in the Tibetan Buddhism.
No.
No.
Tadi kama vizijin dene chungbaji
This is something that's coming from the lineage of Kamapas. Something unique that is coming from the Kamapas or the Kamapas lineage.
Tadi inju sane ani jawan churube de karre yansi dang alia karre ji susugi lewan samarme de lewan ya dense an jawan churube yansi inbe da mingrabji tus tobre an jezan tinji da ming lenchuru dus yewe indu sane anda digi ji tsende kurche andari yangar kashwe de ya yong yoroblia yong energy yorobli yewe ji jawan jurube ke loma sore dana shi jawan jurubal takadar kama kashwe ji gyu de loma so yangan ji ar dus chumde kashwe tenjebe da kondu shube na singi Lama the Lomen Javadi Gumi Java Sanan Randu Yana Ben Java Samusha Yedeva. The Ginchi Pardu Jumitoba, Gawa the Chive Pardu Jumitoba. The Niji Java Samusha Yedevi, don't hold us.
And the fact that I have, due to some strong karmic relationship, recognized as the reincarnation of the 16th Kamapa. And because of that, I come here as the Kamapa, and that we have this to look after and to meet the students and the centers of the Kaju or Kamakaju lineage. This is also a sign that there is a very strong and deep continuation of this relationship of teachers and students, which cannot be interrupted by death and birth. So this is something which continues even, uninterrupted by even death.
That ring Guru Yogas, that Tinjavi Lama the Lomen Javati, the Deji Kashmuta, Chenya Regiduzan, Keshamuyima. That day, Dana Sing did Java Sam, the Kanjis Judge, Yamlen Shayimba. Zadada, Kesham Stachadi or something. That Deji Kashu, physical to the G Kashuba, Twayeva. 다가는 신기 기지셔야 유해봐 기지 토네데 다는 피지컬 근데바 잠아이바 다딩원에 내기 spiritual 사람들도 된 담배지 잡아 상오지 다가다 치기 다간다 가지고지 physical 지부에 토할 많이 봐 나sem 그 토레스는 장도 야나 가르쳐올라다 튜니 데베 잡아서 아무튼 컨디션 연구를 하사디 계속 시라를 좀
So therefore this Guru Yoga practice is something that to have this very special and very strong and relationship between teacher and students. It's not just a physical level relationship that the teacher is giving teachings and students listening, but it's something even deeper than that, something very inner spiritual relationship or very inner relationship or very kind of deep relationship which is very kind of intimate and which is not just interrupted by which is not just a physical or thing, but it continues much deeper than that.
다 될이야 가져야 돼. 라마당 로메기 가져야 데바르지 요하데 주디 다 된다 니기 토리야. 그럼 저번 영화 차기에는 주디 라메기 투지다 로메기 다 무구 티니가 토하는데 접어서고요입니다.
And the relationship between the teacher and students is based on two things basically. One is the blessings or the kindness of the teacher, and another is the devotion or the openness of the students.
라메 투지시도 가르쳐 버렸으나 다 라메기 닌지야 라메기 자와서 말해 드리주스가 알아요.
When you talk about Tugje or the blessings of the Lama, mainly it is the compassion or the affection of the teacher.
지당 아주다 너무 미진하다 자와 망고용도로 배지 밤에 불러 자와다 보다 안다나 시기지기 초부에 자와다 안지 산상부로 자와서 자와 망고용이요.
Generally in life we have many different kinds of affections. The affections of our parents to the children, affection of our friends, of our family and things like that. Many different types of affections we have.
Today in Husana the 라메기 로말레야 자와디야 아주도 미진난게 또 자와 서버를 다시 최냐를 시두산에 디 개점시라 차대요.
And this affection of the teacher towards the students is very, very important when we are practicing the Dharma in our life.
이나야다 라메 로말레 자와사디야 직dengi 자와서 말면 자와 가르쳐 가시 로마 가시에게 라메 자와데 지양 가르쳐 따당면 좀 가시 가르쳐 지덴베 자와서 말면 나래 아버지도 나래 아버지 신다지리 아버지도 투지 전부 능가도 나래 능가 민도 사르고 콩라베 최송송 나래 최송 마송 사르다 니주고 가르쳐 디스 가르쳐 근데 가르쳐다 때제 직dimbe 간다 이제 고 가르쳐지 될래야 라메 자와다 따당 나서 용디 여봐 다 된담리야 라메 그 투지함 자와데 아주 컨디션 문제 쇼고래사데 개침으로 지타데 메로서.
And the kindness of the teacher or the love of the teacher, the affection of the teacher, we have to understand very deeply because there are many different ways of looking at that. Sometimes, we look at this affection or the love of the teacher just like a worldly love, worldly affection. Then we can feel, this Lama is more loving this person or more affection to this person because he's teaching him and not teaching me, or doing this to that person and not too much to me. These kind of problems can come. So therefore, it is important to understand what the true kind of love and affection or the kindness of the teacher is.
이 자와디 라메게 투지심비다 자와 산마디 조다 르니 가주에다 다 땅아 조래야 지 가주에 남규 다 동해 사디 남규 동해가 소화자마이 봐 아래 동해 사디 간다르 가주에 가르슬라우다 퀄리티스나 지금은 다 가르슬라우다디 동해사디 소화자마이 봐 동해사디 안에 퀄리티스는 괜찮으시네 다 럽시면 승계 정다 간다르 가르쳐 아주 소화 디두기 소화자마 이바 안에 간다르 동해사디 배는 나바상기 왜 동해래야 지 직숨 체리어로 지 소화 동해에서도 아주 남기 소화 지 가서 나서다라서 이제 소화 디두가 아치 교회 동해에서도 산 다다 대회를 딱 간다 아주 남기 소화 기부도 그래 남기 아주 소화 내대다도 나한테 소화 기부디서 된다면 소화 동해에 윤주 때네 캬반 뒤지기 동해 사대 다 정신 레다 동해 점에 디 정신함 디기 가르쳐 거라 사변 선한다도 그런게 내처 선한다도 규제로디 그래 그런 규제 그런 동해게 규제로 질 접대의 인상 디 윤선 때네 안 그러다 가서에 다 동해 그런 심이지 그래서 뉴스안에 나도 질러
So, the teacher's affection or the teacher's love is that he sees or understands the suffering of the beings, suffering of the people. And we talk about the suffering, it's not just the sensation of suffering or the pain. It's more than that. That's the first kind of suffering, the feeling of, pain or discomfort and things like that. That's the first kind of suffering. But also when we are not suffering, we are very happy or in a very kind of pleasant state of being. Even then, it's suffering because there is change and it's continuously, momentarily changing, and that's also suffering. And thirdly, everything there's a seed, or the nature of everything is made of like the causes of disintegration and suffering. So therefore, there's a kind of natural kind of suffering. So these three different kinds of sufferings are being experienced by all the beings.
제가 저 라면 투지사데 되더디 내고기 가셔야지 말아주 소와 동해 시습장 제도 말해 다가나 신기 다다데 가셔지 소와 대화서면 당 아주지 남주지 다베너지 데스 가셔 수부 대고 다가나 시 배저 야고 잘 니지기 가지고 내가 왜 원투에 대화 원투 사말은 지금은 다 돌아 사제기 대화사는 저거 왔다 간다 남경 아주 대화를 통돼야 되죠 야게 동안 체도에 말해 대 야게 동안 된다 동해 야게 동안 되어 지금 그렇지 다디 가르잖아 디 안다를 동해기 자와서는 장도 다 동해기 가르쳐다 사변 텐저부지 점야什么的 提前 텔리아提前도 안 간다 공개지 도자와 좀 세. 알아서 로맹원에 비나 되는 신식 간다 뒤점에 채도 가르쳐 뒤시외 채도 라메 투지 뒤채도 이 선발주다 뒤채도 다 라메 가르쳐 마지 당화 나샤가 되수 이비냐 된제베 다 간다 지 코에 동에서나 다도 동해기 사변 다지 레는 용무 버티소 저마가 뒤체도 인사를 늦은 양을 잡아야 돼 개점이 있어.
And then kindness of the teacher is it's not just that to free the students or wishing of the freedom of the students from these gross problems or the pain and the sufferings. It's not only to give them like a happiness or the pleasure or the success or the worldly kind of progress and economic and other progress and things like that also, because these things maybe temporarily seems like something happiness or the pleasure, but eventually it is also a source or it's suffering. It turns into suffering. So therefore, when teachers, the true kindness or the teachers really, what they really wish for the students is to go to the root cause or the seed of these sufferings, and that he wishes to really uproot the complete the cause and the seed of these sufferings, which is the klesha and the ignorance. And that's what teachers kind of aspiration or the intention is, and that's what the students also should know, that when you receive instructions and teachings from the guidance from the teacher, what he is mainly focusing on is for that how to kind of
Decrease.
uproot and cut the root of the causes of the sufferings, and that's how we should see.
And the 로맹원에 무구사들이야 또 무구사들 전다데 니야래 지기 가수지 또 longing 저지 야바 된다 직체 지기 and the respect 저지 다 쿠바사 respect 저지 당도라마 쿠바 민주주의.
Then the devotion from the side of the students is also kind of two things. One is the longing, and another is like respect.
Two meaning.
Two meanings. Yeah. It has two meanings. One is the longing, and another is true kind of respect.
제자들 지 라마 세주산에 지 수수에기 inspiring somewhat 지 간다 지 미상부산에 장도 딱 간다 지 수수 문에 전에 지 라마티지 가르쳐다 inspiring somewhat 다 늘지 라마스 늘지 고거다 연대 지 수수래 연대 개발도 봐봐 라메 다나 신기 다 수수 이 초과 늘지기 yuandena denbe kansar rich gu are da ni je yin sa ne da de ge yuanden de ge yi cho yuanden de se du san da da ji ka do su ze ba dang ka do lig ba dang de ge je ma yim che zo de yuanden de chi physical yuanden ma yim ba nang ge yuanden sambe yuanden samar ba da ji ni ji de tin de sam dong ba zo de shi.
And the devotion from the students is, as we said, talked about the two things or the two meanings. And then when you have a teacher, kind of qualified teacher, he has to be inspiring. When you say inspiring, it means that this teacher has certain qualities or better qualities than yourself, which can actually inspire you, which you see, and then it kind of steals your heart, that you have to, you wish to kind of follow that or get inspired by those qualities. And these qualities are not about the physical qualities. He's beautiful or he's, charismatic, not that kind of qualities, but inner qualities.
Like loving
kindness and things like that.
Da ne de di yuan de yi cha ba yin ju sa ne da de ji yuan de ji zhu ya ge che do ani ji su su ge ji ku ba che san nan da do tang wa qian bu da ani ji ka shu dedicated di cha le ya da dedicated che ba de ji ba.
So because you are inspired by those qualities, so therefore you want to aspire to actually possess or develop those qualities in yourself too.
Today in Japan, lama no kube sade, lama le jibe teba do ni jibu tang xie ba. Yana ji lama tele ya kashu da ji kushib de samara protocol kar de kushib de so. Da masi chige de so ji pebe lu su kushib de so ji lemba sham. Yan pebe de chige lu su ji de lemba sham da de su jibu ma ne. De su ni jibu xie bi ne. 전도 지다들이 그바들 전화도 쳐가 말. 저기 전도 라메기 연된데 지점식이 로마틱이 심규리야 렌토바 심규리 지가르 냠스 렌토바 지점식이 저 냠스 렌토바네 디지지가 다 무규 체마지 사네. 진짜 질 샤고야 르스 마도. And the physical tone,
so the devotion is, and the second part, which is the respect, is also this, that this teacher's kind of qualities, the inner qualities that I would like to, develop within myself, or I would like to integrate with myself. And with that kind of understanding, then a natural, strong respect or devotion or aspiration arises in you. That's what we call the devotion or aspiration. It's not that, saying good things about the teacher or just showing outside respect, because the different cultures have different ways of showing respect. The Tibetan way is something different from the Western way, and that Westerners trying to do the Tibetan way doesn't really suit very much also. And then Tibetans doing the Western way also is a little bit strange. So it's not about those outer things. It's more that inner thing, that what the great qualities that teacher has, that those positive qualities I really wish to inherit in myself, and that kind of the strong,
Oh yeah. How much you can absorb?
How much you can
absorb
those qualities in yourself. And that's where the devotion, how much devotion you have is understood.
And then 제 주산다 지 거규기 나눠려야 지 가수에 계시 가르쳐 쓰게 와서나 지 라말레야 지 규버 댐바스나다도 투지의 실업이야 봐 다대야지 라마 그 유도 규버들 상으로 가수에지 다 간다라 가수에지 니지 전부당 엔 시럽 전부라베 로 장네 다 대양베지 라마 고마 고메 다 오마오마리야 제저비 다 간다라 지 종다르 세나라도 로종 세나라도 다디 마노르와지 에너지 파르마시부도 규바 파르마시부도 규바 제야레 드린 주산 디 준zel 되네 다 도지실업 라고지 딱 수수 가사라서 라마라 수수리 냠스 렌듀베 있는 데르지 알아서 어디 돌아야지 로맹외네나 대대신도 다 간다르지 냠스 렌도 다 간다르지 제로 투지당 라메 투지다 로메 무기사드 그 유치 냠레 지두산다 계시슈르 시샤디 이제 삼창이
So that's why, the lineage in the like Kaju system is this, that the teacher, tries to pass on, first train himself in the wisdom and compassion, and through that, develop the qualities of the teacher within himself. And then the student also try to inherit that and become possessed of those qualities within yourself. And that's what we call receiving the blessings, receiving the lineage, and receiving the teacher's kind of the kindness and blessings. So therefore that the training of that is the system of the Kaju lineage, and that's what we try to work on, and that is what I understand as the main relationship of student and teacher.
제자나 질업사야되네 근데 두다 찍고를 주셔 질업사야되
Blessing is just that to me. That is what I understand by blessing.
베나 blessings lavdusane pen namgyu ngaju di chosine blessings ade jikkarwe ta thonga mebro jik samarbe ta ji thongyur rishna mede ji dan ji ya ji zhegyur ji yedebe so ta ji kenzar jo ta dilya pena ngaju bu chujur ji yebina ta di phame zalya yebina 아니 지 밤에 til이 여밤 드제 여비미나 부디지 가서 수수 데스 가서다 수수는 지금 관계비 여러분 지나 야나지 수수 송신 교비 여비 지금 천하르지 용어로 왔다 간다 셈리야 데스 가서야 되지 배 신장 천하르지 모르마 다데 오늘 질럽지 인기에서 질럽 통화하는 여말마다 통화하는 여말도 이미네 디기 그러다 atmosphere에서나 가도 디 커넥션으로 디기 에 가다지 부들이야 소남 미세로 지니가 대화는 시 변한 가랑기 미지나로다 팀마부 총사다 삼삼 지 미지나로라 강해름 담을 체유 뉴스나 기부 담바 라마 가시 디니 제야 그거 총백급이야 당부 제가 누드산에 Assembly ta kanda ji garsu namdo mangbo shiji ta na chi sem dungher mangbo yue de bachi che kibu thamba lama ti kundu charne su lo yon sana an tangi ngaragi ji garsu dunghe ta namdo de su ko rangi ngange ba shine an ji sem de lulur chache gyumzen yamarda susu che de 디 베즈게 제야마데 장기 강기 다 한다지 기부 담바데 체베기 톱세난다 디녜렌 덴셰 semle shide yonde yaji. Dinde mi yonde do. De Hindustan shilab sa de doctor de shaji de yo mara de yin be ne ya kandara lama de ya be ni ji ye be ne ti to gi lama te ya kali ni ji je ne gyun ra ji. Dinde ji chung be yin na 제가 ninji sere ma do shen chilab sa de do ba zhe xia ji zawa ne yu ji le sam zheng men do da ma xin ala ne me xin da ya ka xin yue ne ka xia guo men.
So this blessing, when you say blessing, it's something that you cannot see. There's nothing to be seen, but something that to be received. That's what I feel, and I sometimes feel that when they are the children and their parents, the parents are with the children. Although the parents don't do anything, but the children feel that they are being under protection, and they feel certain kind of confidence and certain kind of protection. I feel that that is also a kind of blessing. So when you receive blessing from the teacher or from a lama, this is something which actually happens in my life also. Like I have sometimes difficulties, a little bit disturbed state of mind and lots of things going on in my mind. And then I go to see one of the lamas or the teachers. And then after discussing things with him or just being with him for a while, then without doing anything special about those things, when I come back, then my mind is, peaceful, and all those disturbances of my mind and all these things just get specified, and I feel very good and relieved and in peace. I feel that is blessing. And this kind of blessing is in a way when a lama has lots of compassion and kindness and all these kind of positive qualities, then somehow the people the students slowly, step by step, also in a way absorb those qualities in yourselves. And that is what I feel is blessing. I don't know any other blessing than that. That, I think, is my blessing. If somebody else has something else, which is called blessing, that you can just, as some object, something that you can actually give somebody, then I don't know about it.
Benada tinsang aju materialism samarata shuchamru chari yebinsa mi gangal ji gos de lamsa ji lamsa ta twen ya ye de ji da ji lamsa ji kare kashwa ji dodor ji yo kona ru sha de mangu sha yong de chezang azul de passion sana ta do ngyu jung bu de ya ma de sui sen de me che 이나 아주 즉 취역이 질럽사디 되게 공도 주변에시 동도시 제야지 요 말라 남산디 요하사데 가라 하우스타면 그래서 아주 이기 material 톨이야 직카르에 제단으로 삼동단으로 디 라도 렌다로 디 에너지 난게 냠렌 톨이야 되는지 삼동이 되라 지야요 말봐 그걸 조단 카로 대 유산에 디 규제되네 고 두주 삼수 지지는 고르시 그래 배나 가시엘이야 배나 다달람사 배나 달로저 로스윙이야 라머지 미세 처와스게야만 지전 디두사 기부시다 쇼이기만 이나 로스윙비제 로스움 싱아게제리야 아니 미세야 디 recalling the charge and the next one ango 미세 전화로 연습들이 용어로 봐 아들이 유산한 도나 아주 간단해 뒤름 유스집에 나눠래야 신외비 토레베 잉르비 수다 취세 아니 삼모 그리스담이네 디 토레야 직접대보다 레라보다는 가라지 지주 지 사주 전보다 내 삼당대 디 난게 냠을 제베급이야 진짜지 삼다나 고란 조단데 미지거를 좀 차린 거죠.
In this 25th century, we have become very materialistic. So therefore, we sometimes regard this blessing also something like a material thing, that I want it and then the teacher gives it and then now I've got it. And something like that. This is not the way, It's not something, the blessing is not something that you kind of just give it and then you get it and then it's finished. It's not something like that. It's a kind of a long-term thing. It's an influence which kind of slowly builds up. Maybe you have met a Lama and received teachings. 3 years, and then for a long time there's nothing, you don't have anything special, you don't think it was anything special. But maybe after 3 years, then you recall back that meeting or the teaching of the Lama, and then you feel that something happened that time. So these kind of things, it sometimes takes time. It's not the material way of doing things. We have this very strong material kind of mentality. So we think that Dhamma practice also is done in that way, that you just give something or receive something or just done like that. It's not that way. The Dhamma practice and then the material way of giving and taking is not the same system. It's totally different one. Because sometimes we don't have too much patience. We just want it now, and then you just go and get it from the Lama, and Lama just give it. It's not that way. It doesn't happen in that way. It has to be something that has to be slowly cultivated and happens in like slowly absorbing those qualities within yourself.
Okay. That was it. Guru yoga slabdisana, some yoga slabdisana, some ritual in the Buchi. Yanaji Karabichi Chagwana Shadem. That's as a yoga sad, Demi, but under Najuram, Yamsulea. Takanda Jisimgu ton Yamsulea, Rijesha, and then Rijedo Shai. Tabaji did with some Shana Paji Dumet or something here. Any Paji to do the Jimita. And
Guru Yoga, is when you say yoga, sometimes you feel that there's something, a ritual, something that is to be done. I think it's not like that. It is this kind of understanding and practice within. That is the real kind of essence of the Guru Yoga. I feel that that's the essence of it. Maybe there is nothing much more to say about this. So I think I will just stop here about Guru Yoga.
And then you that the Drindia Pinge, Samlo, Tarabuni, Amaji Tarabuni Yong, and Miss Eda Kashre Gangam Gwensi de Payare, Gavashtations. And
all of you have come from very far away places, and you have endured lots of hardships and difficulties for coming here and being here also. So I'm very happy that all of you could come here and I could meet you.
Danashim Arande Yoroliade, that Danashim Timabu Kashreji Mazu Bezuruche. That was Bezu chapter, Ting Shiru chapter, that there is Ting Shivadi, Ting Shivadi Tolia, that Tambu Ting Tambu Bezu Cheve Golia, and Mazuji, Gego Mans Jelia, Drotoya, the J Bezuru chapter. That day Majore, that Jelia, Yanga, Gego Ni. Tindelia drag Bezu Chevre. The Amazon there. And the Zilangazu Germany Jibulian drag Bezuji Chevre. The Amazon there. That the reading Shivadilia, Bezuji Cheta, Ineda, Javaris da met Ambone. Other Bazi Kasreda Milam Rustana Mato. Sida, your summer society. That in Ringus de Jot of Shumare, Chesa, 가르쳐다 지 나라는 처음에 이미네야 지 가와 두마 제네 소마르베다 가와 두마 제네 단 두버르지 지미 인주사네 안다디지 미세 야나미로 지 전화로 정도 대인주산디 캬주 체도 나랑 기타리 되다들이 주투버디 나라에 가보샤총.
And from my side also, I've tried a long time and many times with difficulties to come here. We actually made 4 attempts to come to Europe. The first time we made an
officially 4 times.
Officially 4 times. First time we made the attempt to go to various countries of Europe, and that didn't happen. Then second time we tried to go to 2 countries, and that also didn't happen. And third time we tried to go to only Germany, and that also didn't happen. And then when we made this 4th attempt, I didn't even expect it to happen. It was a little bit like a dream. But now that finally it could happen, and I'm here, and I'm really very happy and very grateful about that. And as I said before, so it is something which is a result of lots of efforts and difficulties. So I feel it is a very special thing and something which is very important for me, and so I'm very, very grateful and happy about that.
Thank you. Thank you.